Hi everyone! My name is Chik. My new online class is now available. In this class, you are going to learn how to make this to-scale standing figurine. This is a comprehensive tutorial for people who would like to advance their figure modeling skill. This class is also suitable for beginners. All the videos are easy to follow and you will need only few tools for this class. There are 12 videos in this class. In the videos, I'll explain all the modeling technique and informations from head to toes. There are lots of do's and don'ts tips in the video. And once you learn how to make this figurine, you'll be able to make realistic figures on your own. Once you join the class, you can rewatch the videos again and again at any time. For more information and details, please visit my website www.cchik.com